This is how you can use Gluroo, set up to work as Nightscout, to connect to the Nightscout Clock. This is the Ulanzi TC001. If you're interested in this, I have an entire video about what this is and where to buy it. You can click up here for a direct link to that video first. This is how we can just use Gluroo to connect to it. Right, let's get into it. So the first thing we need is from Gluroo on your phone. So if you open up Gluroo, you click on the menu option top right, go to settings, then scroll all the way down to the second bottom one. It says Gluroo Global Connect Nightscout. If you click on that, it'll then show you some information. I've blurred mine out just for data privacy, however yours should be shown here. So the top one is the Nightscout URL. We will need this to put into the clock. And the second one is the API secret token. This is essential in order to let the two connect to each other. So make a note of these, or if you're doing it on your phone, just copy them. Okay, now we need to use that information and put it onto the clock. Hopefully you've already flashed the clock, you've already connected to your computer, press connect and done all that bit. Now you need to open up the web page for the clock so you can input the information. If you've newly set up the clock, just connect to NS Clock Wi-Fi and go to 192.168.4.1. That'll take you to the web page for the clock. If you've already had it set up, it will have its own URL. Mine, for example, is 192.168.1.21. It can be whatever it's been assigned to. So just know what that is already. Okay, so let's go to the web browser. Okay, so I've already filled in the first part of the information, which is the Wi-Fi username and password, and now we're going to do the glucose data source. So from the drop-down, if you select Nightscout, there's more information you need to fill in. So the first one is going to be HTTPS, the protocol. This is always going to be HTTPS if you're using Gluroo for this. The next one is going to be the Nightscout host name. This is the Nightscout URL that you copied down earlier from Gluroo. So I'm just going to paste mine in. And it's there. You do not need the HTTPS// beforehand, and you don't need the slash at the end. It's just yourcode.ns.gluroo.com. The port is optional. We're not going to have a port, so we're going to leave that blank. And the last bit is the API secret. This is the longer bit from the Gluroo app, and you're just going to paste this in here. It'll be blanked out, so you don't need to worry, you can't see mine. That's all you need to do. So if I just go down and click validate, save and restart, so your clock should now restart. It will cycle through the various things at the beginning, including showing you the URL you use if you want to make any changes. So for this, it's 1.21, like I said. It will then connect to the API for Nightscout and display your blood glucose values. You can then do the usual, cycle through the different views that you want. So that is how you connect Gluroo to the Nightscout clock.